doesn't unmute.
I see that. It's not good.
Okay, here we go.
All right. Let's go CT. Without further introduction, welcome, 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 and take a listen here to our theme song, please.
Let's see if
Not sharing as of yet.
okay, Chris will come back and let us know.
Yes, he will. All right, here we go. And go ahead and hit the blue button and let's all listen in.
I think it'll work when there's sound. It doesn't respond right now. We have to wait till the sound goes on. Look.
All right, so we're waiting for the sound.
Oh,
John is singing away, Chris, but no sound. Hey, Chris, we have no sound, no sound. Check, 1, 2, 1, 2.
all right, so I'm on the recording. Okay. Unfortunately, no sound on that one, but we'll work on it and hopefully do it again another time, right, Chris?